So if you have the blinking white light issue, what you need to do to correct it is you have to unplug the Ethernet wire. You want to make sure nothing else is connected. Make sure there's no USB port into it. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull the power cord, and that will kill the power to the device. And now you're going to leave the device like this for at least 10 seconds. I wait a little bit more longer. I give it like about a minute just to settle it down, but 10 seconds did the trick for a lot of people. So leave that alone, and once you're done with your 10 seconds, then you only want to plug in the power source. You don't want to connect to the Ethernet source to that yet or anything else, and you just plug it in, and then let the system boot up. Okay, so the power is on, and you can see the light is started to blink. So basically right now it's rebooting the system, so you just have to wait. So after plugging in the power, I let it reboot. I saw some blinking on the front, but that's fine. It probably goes on for like another 30 seconds or so. It was blinking. No, so there's patterns that this light blinks. If it's blinking very fast, that means there's something not right. Usually in the reset mode it was blinking very fast, but when it's blinking slow, that's a good sign. What I did was I connected my Ethernet cable, and after a little bit it became solid. So then I was able to log into my app, and my drive was showing in the app, and everything was good to go. So guys, this is how you fix that constant blinking issue. Don't wait for like 20 hours. I know I've seen people, and even the Western digital site says it can take up to 7 days. That's a long period, guys. But I did not want it to wait that long, and I did this method. Basically, again, recap. Unplug the power, unplug this wire, unplug anything. Wait for about 10 to 30 seconds. And then power it back on, and I was up and running. So try this. Hopefully it helps you guys. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.